Human want to be creative. Human think, I need magic brain. No, you don't need magic. You need a brain that steals. Long ago, cavemen have 2 sticks. Stick A, stick B, smash, smash, fire. Other cavemen say, wow, magic. But really, just sticks. Creativity, same thing. Creativity equals steal idea A plus smash with idea B equals new fire. No magic, just smashing. TikTok, not new. Just Vine plus karaoke plus doom. Scroll. Now it steal hours of your life. Success, Barbie, stolen from German adult doll. Mattel say, let's sell to kids. World say, feminism. Idea theft equals billions. No one invent anything. They just stir old soup. Add spice, call it genius. Here's how you do it. Step 1, absorb like caveman in jungle. Touch everything, scroll, tap tap, read meme, watch nerd talk, listen to uncle with weird conspiracy. More input and more idea sticks. But warning, if you only scroll and never create, brain get fat. No fire, just content constipation. Step 2, write stuff down. Weird dream? Write. Random fact? Write. Dumb idea at 3 a.m.? Write. You are not smart, notes are. Even caveman carve on wall. Be like caveman. Step 3, smash things together. Ask dumb questions. What if I film podcasts in forest? What if I sell cookies? Like therapist? What if I mix caveman plus YouTube script? Boom, innovation. Creativity equals confusion, plus courage, plus zero shame. Just mix things no one asked for. Yet, you don't need to be creative. You need to stack sticks and set brain on fire. Fire equals good. Fire equals ideas. Fire equals make tribe, clap. No talent? No problem. Just system, now go. Touch grass, steal thought, make fire.
불타오르네.